I've got these stickers. I know your sign says computer repairs, but computers have stickers too. See, look, all this.
Sir, you're tearing it. Sir.
Well, see, no,
sir,
see, look.
You're tearing
look,
it.
Look, you're not listening.
Sir,
you're not listening.
Sir.
No, look, you're not listening. Look.
Sir,
I know the speakers are already blown.
Sir, get away from the counter. Move away. Just move away.
The speakers are blown.
We're already closing. We're already closing. We don't do audio.
So what I
you
need
to move. We don't do audio.
I've got his messed up computer. Hang on, I'm here right now. Sir. Hey, how you doing? Thank you. Okay. Hold on a minute. Alright, power jack's messed up. This video cable thing down here is messed up. The monitor button's messed up. USB flash is gone, and I don't even know it. Can you fix all that?
That's a turbo. You know, you can actually boost your computer a little better performance.
Right, can you fix it? That's all I'm worried about. Can you fix it? I need it by tomorrow. Can you do that?
We can have this number.
Yeah, we can do it by tomorrow, man. That's
Thank you. We specialize in these.
Yeah, but just pick it up in the morning and you can get it. All right, man.
Is everything finished by 8 o'clock?
Yeah.
Or I'm canceling the service here.
That's
Okay?
fine,
Thank you.
sir.
Bye-bye.
Well, we're going to get to eat. What's wrong with it? What's wrong with it? Bring it back here before he comes back in.
Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
I forgot. Where's the other guy? I was talking to him.
This right here.
I need to talk to that guy real quick. Yeah, I'm the guy that just dropped off. I'm gonna call you back. Hold on.
He's breaking open now.
Well, hang on. I forgot to mention the CD drive.
Eric, you can pick it up tomorrow, and it'll be okay. That's fixable. We're breaking it open, fixing it.
Well, y'all look like two respectable guys, so I'll go ahead and trust you. The CD drive doesn't open as well, okay? Thanks.
Yeah, we can see that.